Five, six, seven, eight, pose.
Okay, okay.
Baba.
Pakikalat na lang po sa iba na maganda po yung
You're in for another exciting episode because we're featuring the second part of our exclusive coverage of Anne's special shows in the Golden State of California.
So for my next song, actually, mababa lang po.
Talagang happy si Anne na makabalik sa United States of America to provide great entertainment to her fans. That's why she prepared the best of her repertoire para mapasaya ng bongga ang lahat ng pumunta sa Cash Creek Resorts and Casino.
Sige. Sa next song ko na lang, kukuha ko ng partner sa next song ko. Pero for this song, ito talaga na-showcase ang boses ko. Kung gaano siya kababa, kataas. So I hope you all enjoy this song. Here we go.
We all know there's a lot of singers, right, sa Pilipinas na magagaling, but Anne is different. So, hindi siya singer, but for me, certified singer na siya, and she's really very good. Very entertaining siya, tapos makwela, talagang she can draw the crowd.
Yoko sana na ikaw ay mawawala.
For sure, AGs would be so proud of Anne's fiery rendition of their famous song.
Ngunit anong magagawa kung talagang ayaw mo na? Sino ba naman ang magpapigil ka?
It's really fun. Talagang kasi si Ann, parating napapanood namin niya sa Showtime, di ba? Yung kung anong nakikita namin sa Showtime, medyo ine-expect din namin na makita namin tonight. So, yun nga, yung backstage or minsan nasa gilid kami, nanonood kami ng show. Kung anong ginagawa niya sa Showtime, yun din yung effect na yun, yung nagagawa niya din sa live performances niya. Yun nga, which makes people laugh, makes people, happy.
Ang liig ko, ang liig ka. Ang liig ko, ang liig ka. Bakit sisimulan mo?
It was amazing and fun. Na. Sobrang galing ni Ate Ann.
Yoko sana na ikaw ay mawawala. Mawawasak lamang ang aking mundo. Ngunit anong magagawa kung talagang ayaw mo na? Sino ba naman ako para magkaibigan?
Ang saya ng audience. Nag-enjoy kami. Especially si Han, nag-enjoy.
Hindi nalalayo sa age. Malapit na malapit.
So fun. It's a barrel of fun at NSC Japan. So here at Cassie Fred.
What makes her separate from the rest is not about you're a good singer, it's not about all that, great singers, it's attitude, and their attitude towards sa mga fans, that makes her great.
Oh, itong next song ko, yung sinabi ko kanina, kailangan ko sana ng kapartner.
To give more delight to her audience, our concert sweetheart performed another Beat It song. And to make it more engaging, she invited a member of the audience para samahan siya sa stage.
Ano? Sino ba? Meron ba tayong magaling kumanta dyan? Pwedeng babae, pwedeng lalaki, kayo po.
Nagulat ako, baka akala ng audience maganda rin yung boses ko. Eh, ako lang yung Ann Curtis na na version niya. Sound deaf, yeah.
Mababa lang naman po yung kanta, Whitney Houston lang naman po. Don't deaf? Naku, bawal sintonado dito. Joke lang! Ano po ninyo? Irene. Hi, Irene! Are you a singer? You love to sing also. Yes. Okay, alam niyo po ba yung kanta ng sintonado din? Ay, hindi na po ako sintonado. Pero alam niyo po ba yung kantang I Will Always Love You? Ayan, ready po ba kayong kantahin natin? Ang tanong, ready ba ako? Ready po ba kayo? Ready po ba kayo kay Miss Irene?
Hindi, binolunteer lang ako. It was good. It was, I was nervous first, but it was okay. She's really nice. Yeah, she's really nice. It was a pleasure singing with you, and I hope that I will learn from you. yeah, I hope that maging magaling din ako kagaya mo, di ba?
It was really wonderful to see kung gaano nag-enjoy si Ann together with her fans. They made the audience laugh even more with their fun-filled performance.
Tawagin ko na siya on stage to sing with me. Wow! Yes. It is truly karangalan po ito para sa akin kasi alam naman natin lahat that I'm not really a singer. So, para pumayag ang isang tunay na singer na makaduet ko siya, it really is such an honor for me. So, I'd like to thank Mark Bautista for agreeing to do this duet with me. Kaya palakpakan mo natin, Mark Bautista!
Sabi naman na, nag-iisa ka talaga. And of course, Anne Curtis.
First night sold out, and we were so happy. Intense din kasi first day. So parang okay, anong gagawin natin dito sa concert? So ito yung parang okay, ano kayang mangyayari dito sa show namin yan?
Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Nag-enjoy mo ba kayo?
Of course, the show would not be complete without a special duet by our national sweetheart together with the pop heartthrob Mark Bautista.
Dito sa US, di ba? Oh.
Talaga ba?
Naman!
Ay,
Kinakabahan nga ako sa duet natin eh. Ako kinakabahan. Grabe. Seryoso. Kinakabahan ako kasi.
mababa lang to.
Mababa lang ba to?
Mababa lang siya. Hindi naman
Ano ba to? Okay. Mababa lang to.
Mababa lang siya, di ba?
Okay. Tignan niyo po ang mababa para kay Anne Curtis.
Sabi ko nga kay Anne na parang minsan pag nakipag-duet ako kay Anne, ako yung kinakabahan eh. Kasi parang siya kasi walang pressure eh. Parang ako yung nape-pressure eh. Pero ang what's good thing about, you know, having a duet with Anne naman is parang dahil walang pressure, mas na-enjoy mo na parang relax lang, na parang okay lang na magkamali. Or,
Ready na po ba kayo para sa duet namin? So far, nag-i-enjoy po ba kayo?
Enjoy ba kayo?
We're happy. We're super happy. Alam namin kasi na medyo kailangan namin mabilis kasi listed to yung
So ano ba to? Naka-fast forward? Ano ba to?
Hindi natin mamadaliin yung
Okay.
Pero sana po magustuhan niyo.
Sana po gusto niya.
It's a song that is low.
Mga ano po ito? Siya po talagang original na Beat It Queen. Si Anne.
Wow!
Oh, yeah.
Hindi naman pabirit ko. But okay, are you ready?
Ready po?
Are you ready?
Enjoy lang natin to, okay?
Enjoy lang tayo! Sabayin niyo po kami kung gusto niyo.
Magandang combination nila. Tapos maganda rin yung batuhan nilang dalawa. So, very nice yung team nila.
Anne's performances was, of course, as usual, sobrang na-miss niya yung stage. Sobrang, kasi parang comfortable na siya on stage. So, talagang binigay niya yung best niya. So, sobrang todo bigay yung mga songs niya, tsaka yung mga birit niya. At tsaka, favorite ko dun yung duet nila ni Mark Bautista na It's All Coming Back to Me Now.
There were nights when the wind was so cold. I would close in bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so cruel that the tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember where I went or how. And I banished every memory you and I had ever made.
She's funny. You know, she's singing that, hindi siya sintonado. I mean, she was actually right up there. You know, if you match her somebody na singer na kumakanta palagi, I mean, she's just right up there.
Baby, if I missed you like this, and if you was more like that, it was love so much love, but it's all coming back to you. It won't be like this, and if you need me like that, it was dead long ago, but it's all coming back to you. It's so hard to resist, and it's all coming back to you. I can tell you it's wrong, but it's all coming back to me now.
Pero yung dalawa sila ni Mark Bautista, ayun ang pinaka-the best. Yeah, it's all coming back. Yeah, dapat ulit-ulitin niya yun, te. Ganon.
But you were mystery when it's loud and long ago, and I'll make myself so strong again, so why? And I never wasted any of my time on you to spend. If you touch me like that, if I touch you, and if you kiss me like that, if I kiss you, it was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. Touch me like this, touch me like this, yeah. It was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. It's coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and now are flashes of light. There were things I never do again, but then they always seem right. There was not tremendous pleasure, it was more than any love to love. Baby, 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 when you don't feel like this, nothing me like that. It was all in the wind, but it's all coming back to me. When you see me like this, when I see you like that, I see what we want to see all coming back to me. The passion, the fantasies all coming back to me. I just had you dream talk, but it's all coming back to me now. Touch you like that. We forgive and forget, but it's all coming back to me.
Wow, what an amazing performance by Ann and Mark. Syempre, talagang ginalingan din ni Ann para makipagsabayan kay Mark.
It's all coming back to me now. When I touch you like that, it's all coming back to me now. And if we Ann Curtis! Thank you! Nag-i-enjoy po ba kayo?
Ano natin yung mga pagkik kung nag-enjoy?
Oo ba? Hindi yata nila
Explain mo naman eh.
in-expect
Explain
yung
mo.
Oo, hindi yata nila in-expect na ganito. Pero so far, happy
Happy sila. Thank you so much.
I was starstruck the whole time. Kasi nakita ko na yung like my crush.
Parang napapaus ako.
Hindi. Ano ka lang? I-place
Ha?
mo.
Paano ba yung placement?
Sa TNT. Nakataas na naka ano.
Ha? Paano
Parang
ba
si
yung,
Celine
paano ba
Dion.
yung
Magsalita si
vocalizing?
Celine Dion. Ganon.
Paano ba si...
Hi. Ganyan na. Parang hindi ka mapaos.
Ganun ba yun?
Yan. Oh, nakataas.
Madam People.
Yan.
Ayan, kailangan... Paano ba ang tamang
Oh.
vocalizing?
Ito basic. Ganun lang. Alam mo yan.
Ha?
Ganun lang.
Okay, ano pa?
Mami mi momo.
Mami, mimi, momo.
Nyaw, nyaw, nyaw.
Totoo ba?
Ganon. Nakakatawa talaga.
Nyaw, nyaw.
Nyaw, nyaw.
Nyaw, nyaw,
Totoo.
nyaw. Pag ako hindi gumanda boses ko after gumawa niya na, nyaw, 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 nyaw.
Nakakatakot pag talagang gandang-ganda yung boses mo. Kasi
Aha.
wala nang karir yung iba.
Ganun ba yun?
Kompleto ka na talaga. Wala na.
Hindi naman.
Habang tinitignan ko naman si Ann, na parang, okay, bitaw lang siya ng talaga ng bitaw. So ako naman, okay, sakyan ko na lang din yung ginagawa niya. Parang ganun. And sinasakyan din naman niya ako. So parang okay.
Sobrang swak na swak silang dalawa together. Para silang, parang ginagawa nila ito parate. So talagang, at saka yung rapport nila, at saka yung chemistry nila on stage was, it's so nice, it's so natural, at saka, parang they really belong on stage na talagang alam na nila yung yung saluhan nila at saka yung saluhan nila together.
More pa? Pwede naman. Gusto mo isa pang duet tayo?
Huwag niyong i-challenge si Ann kasi marami siyang baon. Marami siyang dala.
Marami
na -1.
akong baon.
Halatang halata na natutuwa si Anne during her performances, kaya naman nagbigay pa siya ng surprise number na hindi kasama sa kanyang original repertoire.
Tapos na yung show, biglang ang dami pang nagre-request na kumanta pa siya. So, more sumisigaw pa yung mga tao. So, ang nangyari is pinagbigyan ni Anne, usual na Anne Curtis na pinagbibigyan niya basta happy yung crowd, ibibigay naman niya yun sa kanya lang.
Pwede
gusto
pa ba?
Gusto mo maging alone ngayon? Ano
Ha?
ba?
Ha?
Gusto mong
Hindi
alone?
naman.
Oh, sige.
Meron pa tayong duet.
Meron kami duet.
Mag-duet pa tayo. Pero kung kakasya, kung papayagan, gusto ko din kantahin yung Alone. Diba?
Parang naging sayo na yung song na yan. Ha?
Oo, diba?
Kumbaga signature niya yun eh. So, kilala si Ann sa Alone. So, sa akin anywhere she goes, kailangan niya talagang kantahin yung Alone. Ang galing eh. I mean, in fairness to Ann, back 2 years ago to today, ang laki na improvement niya.
Wait lang, tanungin ko nga kung pwede pa yung ano.
Uy, mag-alone siya dahil request niyo. Oh, tingnan niyo.
Parang kasuwa, parang nasa bahay lang. Oh. Bakit? Ha? Uy, pero seryoso siya. Nakakantay niya yung ano. Meron pa ba tayo? Kasi dito daw, kinakat daw dito eh. Yung parang hindi tinatapos.
At saka
Kasi may
kumita
strict
yun yung
sila. Parang ginugong.
tao.
Parang ginugong ka daw dito eh.
Walang gong dito, no? Hindi ako inugong. Yeah.
Time's up na.
Warren, naman natin yung Alone. Yes?
Uy. Sige, dito ako. Sige.
Alone, as usual. Kasi yun ang kanya, doon siya talaga sumikat sa kanta na yun. Yung Alone na yun.
Kantay mo ba yung Alone?
Alone ka tayo ko na kasi. May time pa nun.
Okay.
Okay lang po ba sa inyo? Kantayin yung Alone?
It was such a spontaneous decision for Anne to do her signature song Alone, and she performed it with so much passion. That's why mas lalong sumaya ang kanyang supporters sa West Coast.
First time I heard her, I said, uh-oh, here comes again. You know, sabi ko, makang mahihirapan tayo nito. But the biggest improvement, this is the first time I see her live concert. So I know she's gonna kill it. I know, for sure.
Bravo! Ang galing talaga ng ating Diyosa.
Nagpakumisa ng singing career sa Showtime, sa kakasample-sample, yun na-discover ng mga tao, ay, maganda pala boses ni
Pwede pala ito.
Gawin natin ang album.
Saka nagka-album nga. Oo.
Uy, platinum yun.
Concert. Araneta. Twice, di ba?
Oo, twice. But again, of course, we would like to thank the staff and management of Cash Creek and Mr. Ben and Edna of Edna's Ichiban. Maraming salamat po ulit.